In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a box behind text in Crello. If you've been looking for ways to make your text stand out and create a more visually appealing design, then you've come to the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to select your text. This means clicking on the text box that you wish to modify within your design. Once you've got your text box selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll spot an option labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up a list of potential effects you can apply to your text. For our purpose today, we're interested in choosing the text box effect from the available list. This option will allow you to add a background box to your text for added emphasis. Now that the text box effect is applied, it's time to dive into customizing the background box to truly make it suit your design's needs. Start by selecting a color for the background box. You can opt for something bold to make your text pop, or perhaps a more subdued tone for a subtle enhancement. Whatever your choice, ensure it complements the overall design theme you're working with. Next, you'll find an opacity slider. This tool is handy for adjusting how transparent or solid you want your background box to appear. Maybe you want a fully opaque box for high contrast, or perhaps a gentle, transparent effect to softly blend with the rest of your design. Feel free to experiment with the slider until you achieve the look you desire. The final adjustment you can make is to the roundness of the corners of the background box. You'll see yet another slider for this, aptly named the Roundness slider. This tool allows you to modify how sharp or rounded the corners of the box appear. Rounded corners can give a softer, more approachable feel, while sharp corners can lend a modern, crisp edge to your design. Again, adjust this setting according to the aesthetic you wish to achieve. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can expertly add a box behind your text in Crello, enhancing the visual appeal and making sure your text stands out exactly how you want it to. Don't hesitate to take your time with each adjustment, as these little tweaks can significantly impact the overall look of your project. This approach not only adds flair to your design, but also enhances readability and draws attention where you want it most. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to explore even more creative possibilities within Crello. Thanks for watching.